We are absolutely thrilled that you're here with us today as we announce this most joyful news that our 7th laureate is Trish Forde.
To be honoured for doing something that you love doing and wouldn't do anything else is particularly special. I want to go out to children now and say, we're so lucky we're Irish. We have the right attitude to literature and books and storytelling. This is your inheritance. Whether you trace your family back to Finn McCool or you've been here for 3 months, you're part of our story. You're now us.